If you want to improve your photo composition in Lightroom really fast, crop guide overlays are one of the easiest tools to learn. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use crop guide overlays in Lightroom on desktop, step by step, so you can line up your subject, straighten your image, and create cleaner, more balanced edits. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Lightroom tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Adobe Lightroom on your desktop and choose the photo you want to edit. Once your image is open, press C on your keyboard. That keyboard shortcut takes you straight into the crop tool, which is where all the overlay guides live. You'll now see the crop interface appear around your photo. Next, look inside the crop panel. You should see a 3-dot menu, usually near the crop options. Click those 3 dots to open the overlay settings. From there, choose Overlay. This is where Lightroom lets you switch between different composition guides that can help you crop more intentionally. Now, let's go through the available overlays. One of the most useful is Rule of Thirds. This divides your image into a simple grid with intersecting lines, and it's perfect for placing your subject slightly off-center for a more natural, professional look. You may also see diagonal overlays, which can help you align strong leading lines in your image. Another option is Triangle, which can be useful for more dynamic compositions. Depending on your version of Lightroom, you may also see golden ratio or spiral overlays, although these options can be more limited compared to Lightroom Classic. Once you've selected an overlay, use it to guide your crop. Try to align your subject along the grid lines or place the most important part of the image near one of the intersections. This can instantly make your photo feel stronger and more polished. If the horizon is crooked or the framing feels awkward, rotate the crop slightly and adjust it until the composition feels right. The goal is not just to crop the image, but to improve the visual balance of the photo. One important thing to note is that Lightroom's overlay options are a little more limited than Lightroom Classic. Also, unlike some other editing tools, there is no shortcut like O to cycle through overlays. So if you want to switch guides, you'll need to go back into the overlay menu and select the one you want manually. Here's a quick tip. If you're not sure which overlay to use, start with Rule of Thirds. It works well for most photos, especially portraits, landscapes, and everyday content. It's clean, simple, and effective, and it helps you frame your subject in a way that looks instantly better. So to recap, press C to open crop, click the 3 dots in the crop panel, choose Overlay, and use the guide that best fits your image. Then adjust your crop, line up your subject, and finish with a stronger composition. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more Lightroom editing tutorials, beginner tips, and creative workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.